morning, guys, and welcome back. Oh, the sun is hitting us. It is a beautiful Hawaii morning. I gotta go get a haircut, and then we gotta go get some pictures. Bree's gonna be driving, and then she's gonna give us a cold start. So let's go ahead and get started.
What's Gucci? Boston bitch, she bougie. Yeah, you goofy. Told niggas you don't like me, shoot me. And if you don't wanna fight me, sue me. Guarantee niggas won't like the new me. This feel like a Spike Lee movie. Room full of hoes and I might get choosy. Please excuse me. All of my moves are carefully planned. Don't play with me, I'm a family man. I put your bitch on my family plan.
Let's go. Oh, my camera getting better. You see this hot mess? Look who's with me.
A few moments later.
Ooh-wee. The cut is done. Now it is on to Apple. I need my phone fixed. Look at this. I just got home and we got a new delivery. Bree is about to open it for us. I think that came out sick. Again, I bought this on eBay. I'll do a screenshot if you guys are interested, and a link to the eBay is in the description if you guys are thinking about this. It comes in a lot of different colors. I was gonna go with the all red and then black stitching, but that bright red is gonna show too much. What you think, Bree? Should I have done the black or the red?
Did this one.
Okay, so she even said it because again, the majority of the car inside is black Alcantara, but then it has red here and there. So I think that's perfect. We're gonna go ahead and put in the passenger side and then the rear, and we'll be done. I'll show you guys some pictures at the end.
Yeah. Ain't no one colder than me. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug, and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in a week. I hit up Tori and told him I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef. Told him we could be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. They said, Jonah, you lost it. I told them they soft. Now go take a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Bitch, I'm a dog. Just don't get a hold of my leash. Yeah, nigga, back to the bluff. Jonah, get back to the bus. If I do not make a female, I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got in a bush and I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies.